Chloe. Come on, Russell. Come on, Russell. Yeah, I know. Good morning. Is that right? You're going to come over today? Coming over. Gentle. Gentle. Yeah. Look. You're fine. Okay. Do you want me to come over? I'll come to this post. You come and sit on this post. Okay? Good morning. Love you. Look at your beautiful chin feathers. I know, gorgeous. You look beautiful this morning. So you've had a bath, you're well groomed. Is that right? You're such a beautiful bird. You're beautiful, Russell. You're really beautiful. Oh, come on. Come on. You're fine. You know we look after each other much better than that. You trust me? Oh, Russell. What are you doing?